Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will see how to control validation display message. We have already validated our form. Now we want to display our error message in iterative way. So let's first set required fields and other validators text property to star. After giving text property to star, go to the toolbox and select validation summary control. This control is used to show the validation summary in which controls are showing errors. So go to the property validation summary. We don't want to change the validation summary's ID, but go to the show message box property. When we want to display error in the form of message box, then you can set this property to true and set the show summary property to true because we don't want to display errors in the form of text. Set the validation group property to 1. Now let's run. Press submit without entering details. So we can see one message box is pop-up in which various errors are written. Please enter name, please enter address and others. Now you can see standard controls contains two validators. One is for required field and one is a regular expression. When regular expression is not in use, then it leaves some space. So we want to remove this space. So let's do this. Go to the required field validations properties and give display property to dynamic. Give each controls display property to dynamic. Now run the application. Now you can see we don't have validate standard and it doesn't show the space. So this way we can control our display messages. We can also give various format by using CSS, by using styles, and we can also give color formats to our validation message when we are not displaying using text boxes. Thank you.